Hey everyone, today we're talking about the Apple TV. Is it worth your money? Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you, depending on your lifestyle, budget, and what you actually need from your streaming device. So first, what exactly is an Apple TV? In simple terms, it's a small box you plug into your TV using an HDMI cable. It turns a regular TV into a smart TV, or gives you a different way to access content if you already have a smart TV. Now, don't confuse it with the Apple TV app or Apple TV Plus service. Those are just software. The Apple TV we're talking about is a physical box that brings all your favorite streaming services together. Who should consider getting an Apple TV? If you're all about streaming and want something fast and reliable, or if you're tired of using your phone or computer for casting content to your TV, this could be for you. Plus, if you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem, like you've got an iPhone, iPad, or even HomePods, the Apple TV integrates super smoothly with all of that. But who might want to skip it? Well, if you don't stream a lot, or you're perfectly happy with your current setup, whether that's your smart TV or another streaming device, you probably don't need it. And if you're not really using Apple products, there are definitely cheaper options out there for streaming. Why should you think about buying an Apple TV? One of the biggest reasons is how smooth the experience is. Apple TV's interface is fast, intuitive, and easy to use. Even if you have a top-tier 4K smart TV, you might find its navigation a bit sluggish compared to the Apple TV. It's super quick, and you've got access to all the big streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and of course, Apple TV+. If you don't have a smart TV, the Apple TV can transform your regular TV into a smart one without the cost of buying a brand new set. Plus, if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, it gets even better. You can use your iPhone or iPad to cast content, or hook up your HomePods for a fuller sound experience. Got AirPods? You can listen privately and even get Dolby Atmos for high-quality sound. Here's a cool bonus. It's not just a streaming box. It can also be a hub for your smart home. With the right setup, you can control smart home gadgets like cameras, doorbells, and thermostats using Siri or the Apple TV Remote. It's like adding a whole new layer of functionality to your home. When should you not buy an Apple TV? If you're satisfied with your current smart TV, there's no urgent need to switch things up. Also, if you don't stream much content, you won't get the full value from it. And if you're outside of the Apple ecosystem, say you're using mostly Android devices, you might find it a bit limiting. In that case, other, cheaper options like Roku or Amazon's Fire Stick might be a better fit for you. So, that's the lowdown on Apple TV. If you're looking for a super smooth, responsive streaming experience and already have Apple gear, it's a great addition to your setup. But if you're happy with what you've got or don't stream that often, you can probably pass on it. Let me know in the comments. Are you thinking about getting one, or do you already have it and love it?